Hey everyone, welcome to the channel Infinity Math, where we make math super fun and easy. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick that will help you multiply two-digit numbers in just seconds. Whether you are a student looking to ace your exams or you simply want to impress your friends, this trick is for you. Stick around until the end and you will never look at multiplication the same way again. Let's see how we multiply two-digit numbers using this trick. For example, say we are multiplying 27 by the number 51. Let's see how we multiply these two-digit numbers. So we are doing the multiplication. The very first step gonna be multiply 7 with 1. So you multiply the right side digits together. So 7 times 1. 7 times 1, that's gonna be 7. And then next, you multiply the numbers diagonally, which means you multiply 5 with 7, and then you multiply 2 with 1. So you multiply the numbers diagonally. 2 times 1 is 2, and you're going to add 5 times 7, that's going to be 35. So you get 2 plus 35, that's going to be 37, right? And now you write 7 in the answer here, and then we are left with 3. That's the number we add it to the next one. Now next, we're going to multiply 2 by 5 here. So what is 2 times 5? You know, that is 10, right? And now you're going to add 10 to the number we left earlier, which is 3. So 10 plus 3 gives you 13. So now we write the answer here. So the answer is 1377. So when you multiply 27 by 51, the answer is 1377. Let's do the next question. Now, question 2, let's multiply 93 with the number 41. So these two are two-digit numbers. Now let's multiply and see what is the answer. As you know, the first step gonna be, yes, we multiply the numbers to the right. So you multiply 3 by 1. 3 times 1, that's 3, so you write here. And the next step, you multiply these numbers diagonally. You multiply 4 with 3, and you multiply 9 with 1. And then you're going to add them. So now 4 times 3 is 12, plus 9 times 1, that's going to be 9. 12 plus 9 gives you 21. And now you know, we leave this number. We write the number in the units place here. So 1 goes here. And in the next step, you multiply 9 and 4, the numbers on the left side. Now 9 times 4 will give you 36, but you still have to add the leftover number, that is 2. So 36 plus 2, that's going to be 38. So you write the answer here. So what is the answer for 93 times 41? It's 3813. All right. Now let's do another example question. Let's say we are multiplying 62 by the number 94. So we do the same way. So we are multiplying these two numbers. The first step going to be multiply the numbers on the right. So you just multiply these two numbers. 2 times 4, that's going to be 8. You write here. And the next step, you multiply the numbers diagonally, right? And then you're going to add them. So you multiply the numbers diagonally, and then you're going to add them. 6 times 4 is 24. That should be added to 9 times 2 is 18, right? 24 plus 18, that will be 42. And now you leave this number, you just write the other number here in the answer, right? And the next step going to be you multiply the numbers on the left together. So 6 times 9, that gives you 54. And now you're going to add 54 to the number we left earlier, so that is 4. So 54 plus 4 is 58. Now you write that 58 in the answer here. So the answer is 5828. So when I multiply 62 and 94, the answer is 5828. It's pretty easy, right? Let's do the next question. Say now we are multiplying 61 by the number 35. We are multiplying these two-digit numbers. You know the first step is, yes, we multiply the numbers on the right. So we multiply 1 and 5. So 1 times 5, that's going to be 5. You write here. And the next step, you multiply the numbers diagonally. So 3 is multiplied by 1. And then 6 is multiplied by 5. And then you're going to add them up. So 6 times 5 is 30. That is added to 3 times 1. That's going to be 3. So 30 plus 3, that is 33. And now you leave the second digit here. You just have to write the first digit here. And now you multiply the numbers on the left. So 6 and 3, we need to multiply them. 6 times 3 is 18. And now you're going to add the leftover number 3 to 18. That gives you 21. So what is the final answer? It's going to be 2135. So 61 multiplied by 35, the answer is 2135. Let's do one last question. Now, let's see an example here. Let's say we are multiplying by 49 and then 32. Let's see, we multiply 49 and 32. These two are two-digit numbers. Now, let's see this. You know that the first step is you multiply the numbers on the right. So 9 times 2 is 18. Here, as 9 times 2 is 18, it's a two-digit number. You just write the first digit and you leave the other digit here. Alright, so now the next thing, you multiply the numbers diagonally and then you're going to add them up. So you do 4 times 2, that's going to be 8, plus 3 times 9, it's 27. So now you add them up. This number is a number we got it from 9 times 2, right? So it's 18, we wrote 8, and the 1 is carried out. So now we are adding up all these numbers. So 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 27, that's going to be 36. Now you write 6 here, you leave the second digit, right? And now you're going to multiply the numbers on the left, 4 and 3. 4 times 3, that's 12. Now you're going to add 3 that is left over. So which is going to be 15. So the answer is 1568. So when we multiply 49 and 32, the answer is 1568. So whenever you get a two-digit number, so you just write the first digit and then you carry that number to the next one. So this is the trick to multiply any two-digit numbers in seconds. Thanks for watching. If you found this trick helpful, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. And of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss more fun and easy math tricks. See you in the next video.